guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Lance is not in the frame. Today we're going to the beach. Why are you holding it?
You hold the camera weird.
We're going to the beach. This is actually our first beach day in 2023. When was the last time we went? Last summer.
2022.
My goal this summer is to go more to the beach, because last summer we went like maybe 5 times.
I strongly disagree with that, but she keeps saying that, so we're just gonna let it ride.
Anyway, we're going to the beach, so he's gonna pick out my swimsuits. I have a lot of bikinis, but I don't know which one to wear. So I'm gonna show him a few options, and the one you pick, I'm going to wear, okay?
Let's do it.
Well, I'm trying to make it so you can kind of see.
Your options, is that a one piece?
So this is a one piece that you tie together on the stomach.
That'll be
And this is another one piece. The only reason why I'm considering this option is because I'm probably not going into the water.
Okay.
Because I would definitely not wear white if I was going in the water.
Okay. And I obviously only choose one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not gonna be changing bikinis. Okay, so they don't really look nice on the floor, but what are you gonna pick?
I'm thinking.
Oh, you were gonna go cray cray. I do like that one, the one piece.
You know what? I've never really seen you in a one piece.
No?
No.
Because I never wore one pieces.
So I think we're gonna do this one.
The white one?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a comfortable one.
Yeah, let's do
I like
that.
that one. I'm gonna be matching you. Are you gonna take your shirt off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
White one it is.
I like this combo though.
That one.
Yeah.
I know, I
like
think
that
I might wear.
maybe next time.
Yeah.
But I've never seen you in a one piece, so I want to see you. I want to see how the one piece is.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I think we're gonna do the white one.
I like that.
We'll obviously keep these options for other beach days and see.
Yeah.
see
I
how
thought
they
you were
go.
gonna pick this one.
I know, I was pranking you.
Oh,
I was
really?
doing like how they do on what's that show?
Just forget it. Lance brought his umbrella. No, I'm actually happy you brought it because we'll need it. This is the workout area. Lance is gonna go do some push-ups. This is our palm tree area. We wanna find a spot. We always come here because there's not many people that put their blankets here.
That's good, no?
Yeah? If you say it's good, it's good. Are you sure? I'm not gonna be running, babe. Okay, I think you're good, no?
I think so.
Let's make a deal. If it blows away, you're the one running. Yeah? Whoop.
Alright, so she has on her white one piece. It looks really good. Yeah.
What are you gonna rate it?
I rated a 9.
No.
Really?
What is the one missing?
Lance will give it 10. No, I'm just kidding. It's a 10.
But it's gonna look even.
Yeah.
1 out of 10.
I think it looks really good on you. It's a cute one piece. It's not like an old lady one piece.
But no, and also it's nice that the back is not like, it's not a thong.
Ah,
it's
yeah.
just like a normal.
Yeah, I think it looks really good. Great pick, Lance. I'll be back.
I'll be waiting. He's about to go work out. I'll be chilling on my own. Nope.
You can't see? Does that count?
Yes.
I don't know about that. That's a little...
Don't be cheating like that. Hey!
That's 3.
Okay, we need to split it. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I got a real weak
1.
rock.
2. Ah. No, that was on my big one. 3.
No, I got that one.
4.
I think I got that one.
5, yeah. 6.
Oh, anymore.
We're walking back home from the beach. We went to Barceloneta. If you know anyone in Barcelona, they will most likely tell you, oh my gosh, don't go to Barceloneta, but we actually like it. It's not that bad.
It's the only beach we go to.
It's a little crowded, I will say that.
It was very busy today.
It was very busy.
It's such a nice day. It's like the first day of summer.
It is, and it's May.
Official.
Yeah.
Not official. The non-official first day of summer.
Yeah, because I think summer starts in like 21st of June,
Yeah.
doesn't it?
I don't know.
But yeah, it was a really nice day, and we're just walking back home. Do we have any plans? It's just gonna be me cooking some fried chicken tonight because that's what Lance requested.
Chicken and rice.
Hi, Saika. What are you making in the kitchen? Brownies. Are you preparing brownies for us? What is he doing already? Is he preparing brownies? We're back home, guys. I just took a quick body shower because I think I might work out tomorrow in the morning, so I didn't feel like washing my hair right now, even though I kind of need to. But yeah, I figured I would wait and go work out in the morning and then shower tomorrow. Anyway, Lance is in the shower. We just had a few brownies. I made brownies last night and they're actually really good. I usually use cocoa powder, but this time I used chocolate. I just melted chocolate and it was really good. You know when you're really hungry and whatever you eat just tastes really good. It tastes much better than it actually tastes, if that makes sense. That's what happened to the brownies, because I had them last night and I was like, they're good. But when I had them today, I was like, yes, they're so much better than they were yesterday. Anyway, we're about to take Rudy out for a walk and then it's time to cook dinner. It's 5 p.m. and I'm going to make fried chicken because Lance really wanted fried chicken tonight. I made fried chicken a few days ago and it was like a lemon pepper salty fried chicken. It was really good. When Lance says my fried chicken is good, it's good. Okay, let's go ahead and take the baby out for a walk. later, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this day. It was a lovely day. It felt like the first day of summer, even though summer is in June, 21st of June, I believe it starts. But yeah, it's starting to feel like summer here in Barcelona, and I'm loving it. It's 9 p.m. by the way. Do you see how bright it is? It's still daylight outside. I love that about summertime. But yeah, I think that was it for this video. The fried chicken was great. I'll leave the recipe in the description box down below if you're interested in trying it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you're not already, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time we upload, which is every other day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you again. We will see you again on Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. Bye.
You said 1, 2, 3, baby, look at me. Hey, 1, 2, 3, just keep your eyes on me.